Hey, it's Jeremiah again. So I am back for part 2 to show you how to build these attribution windows. And I'm going to do it in less than 5 minutes. So this is super easy. So I got to keep this quick so I can prove how easy it is. So I'm going to grab a template. So I'm going to go here, data surveys, create new survey. I'm going to grab this template. I'm going to start with this advanced attribution template. All right, so this is going to preload a survey, all ready to go. All you need to do is just customize your inputs. For now, I'm not going to. I have no need to. And then if you want to add some follow-up questions, you can do that. This one, where else have you heard about us, can be super interesting. Definitely not required. You can delete that if you want. But then the last, you definitely need this one. So how long did you know about us before making your first purchase? And you'll see we have a day, a week, a month, 1 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months, 6 to 12, greater than 12. I love getting this granular. In practice, though, the windows are probably just going to lay out to be these 4, unless, of course, you have additional data that you want to show off. So I'm going to create this. I'm going to save it. Let's do attribution. That's window. I got to add a quick confirmation. Just give this. All right, cool. So audiences. So we are going to create an audience. So we're going to call this 1 day. And then a couple really important things here. 1, grab the lifetime order count, set it to 1. So this ensures that it's a new customer. We're only going to look at new customers for this. And the reason is because we want to make sure this is our first order, that we're building proper attribution windows. New customers, they're already here. That we're not really worried about them. You're emailing them, you're communicating with them in other ways. So that's not our concern at this point. So lifetime order count equals 1. Always add that to the beginning. And then I'm going to go down here. I'm going to choose the question answered. I'm going to select the attribution plus window. I'm going to select how long did you know about us before making your first purchase. And then I'm just going to select 1 day. All right, so that's our 1 day window. And then we're going to do a 7-day window. I'm not going to show you all of these, but I'll show you a couple of them. So again, lifetime order count equals 1. Make sure you're doing that. And then we're going to grab that question again. So question answered. How long did you know about us? Now this time we're going to select both 1 day and a week. And that's because both of those are less than a week. So we select both those options. All right, and then I'll just show you the greater than 1. So you do the same thing for month that we just did, but we're going to do greater than 1 month. And again, lifetime order count equals 1. So you see how easy this is. Super fast, super easy. And then I'm going to do question answered, attribution plus window. Again, just same thing. Now this time, though, we're taking 1 to 3 months, 3 to 6, 6 to 12. And greater than 12. So those are now all our options that are more than 1 month. All right, and that's the window. Okay, so I've got these windows. You can add 28 day if you want to. Well, it's not really going to be 28 day. I recommend always asking for a month. That makes more sense to the customer. So it's not completely apples to apples, but it's close enough. Nobody remembers if they saw it in 28 days or 30 days. So doesn't really matter too much. The idea is to get a close proximity to what the platforms are doing. And that's it. You've got these audiences. Now, I already showed you what it looks like on the reporting side. There's nothing to show you with this one because I just created it. But if you were to go into reports, you'd be able to look at those audiences, and I'll make sure to link that video as well. So super fast, super easy. This takes, again, minutes to set up. So thanks for watching this, and reach out if you have any questions, if you want any help on this. And yeah, we're just really excited to get you using it. So talk soon.